Assalamu alaikum, y'all. Peanut Q Public. I haven't made a video in absolutely forever, and this is gonna be so different from that last one. Right now, I am letting y'all know I'm going to be making tutorials for the various arts that I do. Right now I have a bunch of macrame tutorials made, ready to go, and I will be releasing them daily-ish? Probably. Inshallah. Gonna start out with square knots, braids, and half square knots, and move on from there to some knots I might not know the name of, but they're pretty cool looking. And from there I might do tutorials of the other various things I do, and maybe I'll do a video letting y'all know exactly what those are in case you didn't already know. But I will see ya, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.